Hey guys, my name is Kentoski, and today I'll be showing you of how to create a Tekkit Legend server for version 1.0.9 or upper. Alright, first off, you'll want to create a folder in your desktop. You could call it whatever you want. Right now I'm gonna call it Tekkit server. Second, you'll want to go to this website. I'm gonna leave this website down in the description, and then you'll want to download server download. Once it's downloading, it shouldn't take that long since it's 100 megabytes, and if it takes long, it's maybe because of your internet speed, but it shouldn't take that long since it's really a small file. Alright, let's wait for this. Alright, once it's downloaded, you wanna open it with WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, I'll link WinRAR in the description. And once you see all this stuff, you want to put all this stuff into the folder that you just created in your desktop. So let's put them in. And it shouldn't take that long to extract them from the WinRAR into the folder. Now you'll want to open your folder, and then you want to double click start.bat. Now what is this going to do? This is going to create files that you'll need so you could so your server could run correctly and not have any corruptions or anything. And if this start.bat doesn't start or open, please leave a comment down below so I could help you. And I'll be right back once this is done. Now that is finished loading, you'll end up with this message, which is called downloading dimension. And then when this message pops up, you'll just want to type a stop. This will accept the server and you could exit it. Now you'll want to open server.properties with notepad or notepad++. Once you open it, you'll see all these things. You'll want to leave server.ip with nothing since we're port forwarding this server. And then you'll want to check your port and leave it as 25565, or you could change it. Just make sure your firewall, you'll add it to a firewall. I'm gonna change it to 25575 because I use another port for Minecraft. Now you could save it, and you could change any of the stuff. For example, PvP, difficulty, game mode, max players, MOTD, etc. Now you'll want to exit this, and then you'll want to go into your Windows menu, and then you'll want to type cmd. A command prompt will come up, and then you'll want to type ipconfig. You'll see a bunch of numbers, but you'll only want to search for IPv4 address and default gateway. Once you have those two numbers, you'll want to go to Google, and then you'll want to type your default gateway, which is gonna have a number. Now when you type it, you'll enter to your internet website, and then it'll ask you for a username and password. The username might be a admin, and the password might be password, but if that doesn't work, just make sure to contact your internet service, or you could check under your internet for the username and password. Now that we're in here, you'll want to search for port forwarding or port triggering, and then you'll see a bunch of stuff. You'll just want to add custom service or create one, but I already have one, so I'm gonna edit it. Once you create one, you'll come up with something like this: a service name, service type. Now for the service name, you're gonna put any service name that you want. For the service type, you want to put TCDP and UDP. For the external starting port, you'll want to put the port the 25565, or the one that you'll change for both of these boxes for the starting and ending. Now for the internal IP address, you'll want to put the IPv4 address that was searched up in the command prompt. Now once you put there, you'll want to apply it or save it. Now since you applied it, you could exit out of here, and then you could go to your folder and start the start.bat. Now I'll be right back when this is done in Minecraft. Now that this is finished downloading, it'll finish with a message that says downloading the mansion like before. Now you'll want to go to multiplayer, and if you want to know what IP you want to use, you'll want to search what's your IP or what's my IP, and then it'll say your IP and your public IP. And if you want to let your friends join, you'll have to give them this IP. But for you, you could just put the IP before address or localhost. So I'm gonna put this IP into Minecraft, but I'll show you right now. And for you're gonna put the IP, and then you're gonna put colon and the port that you put it before. And now you're gonna click done, double click it. It'll say logging in, and then you're in the server. Give it a second. If it says not responding, just give it a second. It'll come up. As you see, your server is downloading. If you go to your start.bat, it'll say that you joined the game and you've correctly configured the stuff, and now you could play with your friend or make the server public if you want. Thank you for watching, and good luck making servers.